Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to look into the comparison data, day over day, week over week. So these kind of SQL queries. In the last video, we had seen the running totals and the rolling sum. Now we'll look at the comparison data. Now let's first look at the main data here, how it looks. So we have the sales data. This is like daily data, daily sales data. Now let's I want day over day change. I want to find day over day change in sales. How we can do that? So let's understand this. Now the sales is as current sales. Let me give this name, and then we will use lag function. When we say lag means the previous row that you want. So I'll get lag sales. I can put comma one. If I don't put this, then it's okay. It by default it's one, lag of one. That means previous row. When I say previous row, so in case I'm at row number two, then it will go to this row number one. It is based on the order by clause of time ID. Okay, let me do that. Order by time ID. In lag, there is no windowing clause. I will do one more thing. I will partition by month. So this is the daily data, but I will reset this for every month. Now, this is my previous day sales. Let me make it as I'll query from XCOM data. Now let's see that. So I have current sales. I have previous day sales, right? So finding the change is very easy. So I'll put here current sales, previous day sales, and the difference would be current sales minus previous day sales. That is basically the day over day change. I will just add annual here. Why annual? Because say for first I don't have previous data, right? It will return null. I'm just setting it as 0. Otherwise, number minus null will return as null. As you can see from my previous day sales, the day over change, as you can see, it is giving me the numbers here. This is my day over day change. And if someone asks you to find the percentage of day over day, then it's also very straightforward. Just convert this into percentage. In those two cases, when previous day sales not equal to 0, then this division We multiply by 100 for percentage. Multiply round here. Round it for two digits. 0 and dash DoD percentage. Let me run this. I get the percentage as well. What is the percentage change? This is how you can get the day over day change or day over day percentage. This is your day over day. What I will do is say I want month over month change. Let's do the month over month change. Okay, I have this main data, which is basically daily data. Now I want to do sum of, let me do here itself in the main data. I'll take the other worksheet. What I'll do here is first I will do sum of sales monthly, basically using this, and just for the display purpose, I'll use to care. I need to do group by. Here we can see. Let me order by short month. Yeah. So for every month, I'm getting the sales data. So just understand here what I have done. I have taken the sales data, which is basically daily data. Not even daily data. It's basically for every day I'm getting multiple rows. Now I am doing sum of based on month, basically using this trunk. So trunk will do the group by based on the month, and it will do the sum. So I get the sales data monthly. Now I want month over month data, right? So we create the data as what do we have? We have, let's create display month here, sort month, and we even have the sales data. This is current month. See what we have done in the day over day, same logic. Is just now we are going to do for month. Lag of sales over. We'll do the partition by. Let's do the partition. Let it be order by basically your short month. That's it, and you get previous month sales. Once you get this one, the final query where you find the change, month over month change, right? We are trying to find month over month change. So for finding month over month change, it will be, let me copy first all this data, current month, previous month sales, now month over month change, right? It will be current month minus previous month. Let's do annual as well. Yes, month change. Let's run this. As you can see, for January, I get the same data. For February, the current month data minus this one, I get the MoM change. For March, I get this. For April, this will be current minus previous month 145. So this is how we get the month over month change. So just recapping what we have done. First, we simply from the sales data in the first with clause, we just get the month-wise sales data. In the next come data or cumulative data with clause, I basically have taken the current month sales and found out the previous month sales. And what is previous month sales? For February, it will be January. For March, it will be February. For April, it will be March. So that's your previous one. So we are bringing in the single row here. So that is how you are able to do the MoM change. Find out the MoM change. So it becomes easier, right? Current month minus previous one sales data. So this is how you find a MoM, month over month change. And for year, I just copy this one. For year over year change, it will be very straightforward. I start from here. Say I'll just leave this as, and I'll make it IY. Okay. Now let's see. First, we'll check this data. How it is. Okay. Used YY now. Earlier I was using ISO. So now we get 2019, 2020, 2021. I got 4 rows. So this is how you can check basically with the with clause. Now in the cumulative, it will be current year data and it will be previous year sales data. And nothing else changes here. Just I need to change instead of let it be for now the name of the variables. And this will be current year, it will be previous year, and again current year minus previous year will give me year over year change. Let's check that out. For 2019, the current year data is, and previous year we don't have anything data, so it's same in case of year change. In 2020, the current year data basically for 2020, it is less than the previous 2019, as you can see. And we get this minus 180. For 2021, we get this data, and for 2022. So this is how you find a year over year change. Hopefully this was helpful. We'll have more videos which will where we'll solve more complex queries. Thank you so much.